A quick basic video of how to seal brake lines, stainless steel. And I said once your third or fourth time, these will actually sit tighter in there. You'll see a little depth in there. And if you can't get in the right position, I just use a 15 millimeter stubby wrench. It's not a line wrench, so it can't be used to put extra tightness, but it can be used to move it. Oh, sorry about that, my video sucks. Of course, my hand gets in the way, that's everything. So that's what we're just using, this little stubby to help. 15 is a little too big because it gives you the space to go around.